This fjord is 1,300 meters deep. No bridge, no tunnel, nothing crosses it. Norway's main coastal highway stops 7 times for a ferry, every single time.
Ferries cancel in winter. People miss hospitals. Children miss school. Norway's biggest problem.
Norway's solution to this problem sounds physically impossible. A highway that floats 30 meters underwater.
The Sognefjord is 1,300 meters deep. It swallows the English Channel whole. 2 concrete tubes, 30 meters underwater. Cars drive through, ships pass above. Inside, a normal tunnel. Outside, floating in a fjord. Nothing like it exists. 20 years of study. The physics works. The construction method, still unanswered. 21 hours, Kristiansand to Trondheim. Same distance in a straight line, 4 hours. Remove 7 ferry crossings, cut 10 hours from the journey. That is the entire point.
Norway has 1,190 fjords. The western coast is more water than land. The Sognefjord is deeper than most mountains are tall. No tunnel, no bridge, nothing.
Ferries cancel in winter. A canceled ferry means a 3-hour detour for ambulances, lives lost. The widest fjords need 3-kilometer spans. The world's longest suspension bridge, 2 kilometers. Impossible.
Can you float a tunnel through it? Nobody had ever tried.
A tunnel under the Sognefjord would go 1,300 meters deep.
Rock pressure crushes machines there. Bridge, impossible. Subsea tunnel, impossible.
Floating tunnel, never built. Norway chose the impossible one.
7 ferry crossings cost Norway billions annually. Lost time, delayed freight, failed emergencies. It pays back. 4 crossing methods on the E39. Bridges, tunnels, floating bridges.
And the one that doesn't exist yet. 2 tubes, 30 meters underwater.
Pontoons above, anchors below. Simple concept, impossible construction. The tunnel wants to float up. Anchor cables hold it at exactly 30 meters.
1-meter concrete walls. Road inside, fjord water outside. 3 atmospheres of pressure.
Pontoons hold the tunnel at depth. In a storm, they take the wave energy. The tunnel? Nothing. Pontoon cables up, anchor cables down. The tunnel hangs between them.
But because it floats below ship depth, the surface remains entirely undisturbed.
Cruise ships here are 70 meters tall. Tunnel is 30 meters down. Ships pass, never knowing.
The Sognefjord crossing is 3.7 kilometers of floating concrete tubes.
30 meters underwater, never built before. Fresh air doesn't arrive naturally at 30 meters depth. Fans run continuously. They never stop. Fire scenario panel activates extraction. 4 fjords, 4 floating tunnels. Each different depth, each different challenge. None built yet. The tubes are built on land. Precast sections, transported by barge, then submerged into the fjord.
200 meters long, 1-meter concrete walls, reinforced steel inside. Built on land, launched into water. On land, conventional work, formwork, rebar, concrete.
The challenge only starts when it hits the fjord. 1 waterproofing failure at 30 meters. Point, water fills the tunnel in minutes. Every centimeter must be sealed.
1-meter concrete walls. Road inside, Fjord water outside. 3 atmospheres of pressure. The fjord receives its tunnel. That launch is the most dangerous moment of the entire construction.
A 200-meter concrete tube entering the water or sinks at the wrong angle. The engineering tolerance is millimeters. Towed into position, then ballasted.
Water fills internal tanks and lowers it to exactly 30 meters depth. Fill the ballast tanks, it sinks. Adjust the water, depth adjusts. Joining 2 sections at 30 meters depth under fjord pressure. The joint must be watertight instantly. Divers make the underwater connections. Decompression limits their time. Every connection must be right. Sections joined. Pontoons attach above. Anchor cables below. The tunnel hangs between them. Anchor cables in the Sognefjord go 1,000 meters down. Divers can't reach there. ROVs make the connections. ROVs operate from the surface at 1,000 meters depth.
Fjords have currents. The tunnel sits in moving water. Anchor cables resist that force permanently, forever.
A century after a British engineer patented the floating tunnel, Norway is finally building it.